Hello, welcome to my channel, Roger's Artistic Designs. So, went out to the barn today and I found this lovely plane. Looks like it's been sitting there for a very long time, and it could use a little TLC. So I figured, why not take it apart? And I definitely want to sharpen the blade. I tried using it a little bit and it's not cutting anything. I don't know if you can see there, but yeah, this thing's been sitting for a while. Yeah, let's have some fun with it. All right, so here it is. Very simple to take apart from what I understand here. I did have to wiggle this thing around a little bit. It was kind of rusty in there, but this little switch, it's still a little rough, as you can see there. It lowers the mechanism there so that you can pull this out, which is a little locking mechanism. It's pretty cool. And in here you have the blade, and that's what we're after. And see if I can sharpen it up and see if we can cut anything with it. Also, you have an adjusting setup here that lowers and raises the blade once this is set up. The screw is pretty rusty as well. It's not really spinning that well. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. I kind of wish I had a little bit of WD-40 to treat this thing. I'm just gonna do the best I can with what I have here. But yeah, my technical tool for sharpening my blades out here is this thing here. And it's quite crafty. It works, it does the job. You just got to be very patient with it. But as you can see here, this is what I've been sharpening all my little hand tools with, by the way. It's a great little travel sharpener. But there you have it. You can start seeing that it's starting to get there. So now I want to make sure it's perfectly aligned, and I'm going to just do some circles. There's a little bit of rust on there, so we got to get through all of that. Just got to be patient with it. All right, so quick first test here. I think it's cutting way better. I managed to get a lot of that rust out. It looks like there's a little tiny divot there or something. I'm gonna be a little bit more stubborn and I'm going to grind that out, well, at least attempt to. So yeah, let's try it again. All right, so I managed to get it well, pretty clean there. I'm sure you can see it a little bit now. It's pretty sharp. It's definitely catching on the nail there. So what I'm gonna do is just put it back together and gonna give it a quick test run here. I got a piece of piece of wood here that I don't know if you can see it, but it's got these little creases, these little divots right there. So I figured it'd be a nice log to try out to clean up a little bit with this guy. So to begin with, we have I don't know what this is called, to be honest with you, by itself, but it goes right there, right? And the way you want to put it is with the blade in that direction right there. So here it is. It would go like this. And you want to make sure it doesn't go too far deep. You just kind of want it to nick the edge of the wood there without taking too much of a chunk out. Or you do, depends on what you're doing, I guess. But I like to keep mine a little on the lower side and, kind of fine tune it over here afterwards. The next piece is the lock mechanism here. So let's go ahead and place that. Try my best to make sure it shows on camera here. Just goes right on the screw, bring it back down, and then you bring this puppy over to the side. WD-40 one of these days is gonna be awesome on this thing. So there you go. You can see the bottom right there. Very important that you try to keep it as straight as possible. I am on the shallow side right now with this, so just so that I could do this test. So let me set up the camera here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So there it is. You know, nothing a little sanding wouldn't fix at this point, you know, but it definitely got rid of most of it. I still want to go over it a few more times. Mostly I did this just for as an example for the video here, but I am planning on using this for one of my future carves, so I will definitely be working on this again. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'm Roger. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it you know, if you didn't know how to sharpen one of these things, I hope it at least taught you that much. Stay tuned to my channel. I plan on posting lots of artworks and things like that that I'm out here to do. So once again, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great one.